Hi everyone, this is Yad from the Tech channel and welcome back to this new tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you 20 shortcuts on your Mac. Let's start. First one, if you need to create a new folder, you need to press Shift, Command and N, and here you are. If you want to take a screenshot instantly, so you need to press on Command, Shift and 3, and it will show up or save defaultly on your desktop. If you want to select just a thing and take a screenshot for it, Command Shift and 4, and then you can select your things and it will be also defaultly saved on your desktop. If you want now to switch between apps, you need to hold Command and press on Tab. If you want to changing the view mode, you need to press on Command and 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If you want to close a tab, then Command and W. If you want to open a new tab, then Command and T, and it's work everywhere. If you want to select multiple files, hold Command and then select your files. And if you want to select multiple files with just the keyboard, then press Option and Shift, and then with the row, even right or left or down or whatever. To open a quick view mode, just space on anything, folder, picture, anything, and then you will see it as a view mode here. Also, to open character viewer, hold Control, Command and space. Searching on your Mac or online or any hard drive or removable hard drive, just Command and space, and you can type whatever you want. Hiding a folder or something you deal with, just Command and H. Scrolling in a folder just by pressing on up or down, or you can also press on Function and then just to move faster. Deleting file without moving them to the bin by selecting them and press on Command, Option and backspace, and you will see this one and delete. Moving a file without copy it, just by copy it first and then go to the folder and press on Command, Option and V. Make the bin empty by pressing on Shift, Command, Option and backspace. Making a slideshow from your photos by selecting them and then press on Command, Option and Y. And of course you can choose between them and stop the slideshow. Locking your Mac by pressing on Command, Option and Power. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, hit that like button and share and subscribe, and I will see you in a next tutorial. Peace.